So I did the top coat and cure for 30 seconds. And both of them. And let's work on this 40 gel. So I have this colors is golden, frozen and golden. So we're gonna do one of the snails will be that colors. And I'll make one sunflowers for you using these two colors, golden and honest brown. Or you can, if you have a yellow sun or if you have a high noon, works beautiful as well, okay? And then so frozen's for the cute like a roses. So let's take a look. So we're gonna do is frozen's on this one because it's laminate, so it's showing cool. And then we're using this for sunflowers. So I'm gonna using is dual 3D dual brush. One ends for the 4D gels and the other ends for liquid and powder 3D flower designs. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. And welcome to Glitz Subscription Box live tutorial. So we are going to moving on and doing the roses. So then rose, I'm gonna show you really simple. You can do it 3 petals first. About the same size. And we're gonna do it like 1. You can do it right close to the cuticles, or you can do it right in the middle. So I'm gonna do it right in the middle for you. 2 and 3. The 3 beads. Hey Brazil, how are you? Hey, thank you for tuning in. And we're also gonna do like put it like a triangle and then gonna start press down and release. Same thing with this one, and press down and release. So now you can do is kind of a roses, flowers. We can do a difference. Design. Hey, Brazil at Bally's Nails is one of Glitz talented brand ambassador. Check her page out for a lot of tutorials. She's just make me my blows one every time I see her designs. So I make it really cool and it's simple for this. And just press and release. And it's the best thing about 40 gels is it's so flexible and it's tack free when you're done. It's no tacky layer. And it's really cool though. If like say if I don't like the petals, I can definitely like take it off and roll it back up and do another like petal. So it's not going to set until you are going to cure it. I'm using the tips and create a little bit like a 3-dimensional look. Okay. Same thing with this, and you don't have to get perfect one petal first. You can do 3 of them and then go back and perfect it. This is really good for people who love 3D flowers just like me, and it gives you plenty of time to play with this. So you will not have to worry about, oh my god, my bead is setting, my bead setting. And this, your bead setting, you can pretty much chills and doing these designs, or even like taking a nap, like 5 minutes power nap, and still able to create just really nice flowers. So, okay, it looks really good. I like that. I like it big like that. And then, okay, here, quick 10-second. Oh my God, Tonya, I can't wait to see you. Yes, so we are going to be at, stop by our booth to get like a free gifts. There's gonna be a lot of like specials, and you can see all of us doing so many beautiful different techniques. Yes, 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 I can't wait. All right, so I'm gonna do 3 smaller beads on the second layer. Hey, if you don't want anything else, absolutely can leave it there. If you want to add another layer, you can. I'm gonna do 3. So I'm gonna place my beads right in between of the 2 petals of the first layer. Okay. Close this. Let's move on to the next one. Press it down and release and leave it there. We are going to like perfect that beads in a little bit. Press it. Okay. And now you can start fanning it out. Press it down and fan it out. Oop. You are never gonna make mistake with this. Wow. This will be okay. I'm gonna make it like a little bit petals right there. And just press it out gently and release. Trust me, you will never go wrong with this. Press it down and release. Here's how everyone doing. You're having a great, fabulous Thursday so far. Okay, then you can see that I'm using the tip and twist it a little bit. See that? And hey, if you don't like it at all, say, oh my gosh, I hate it, my petals here, I don't like it. Just like roll it back up and place it back in and start sculpting it again. All right. I'm gonna just try to get this one the way I want it. Okay. I like it. All right, happy with this? Not yet, not yet. Real quick. I'm gonna do like a little 40 deep green. If you have an emerald, you can use emerald as well. But I'm using a deep green, just few, just a smaller one. Couple right there. And maybe take about 4 smaller beads. It's really smaller. Oh, sorry. It's on this side. This is the easiest on earth, I promise. You get this? When you play with this, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so easy. I wish it was like something like this when I just start with the doing a lot of nail arts like that. It definitely gave me a lot of ideas for created 3D, and I watch Brazil, one of Glitz, really talented brand ambassador. She's created so many things. She make pizza and donuts, taco, like a lot of others. Yeah, so then we're gonna continue with this one. You can place your leaf wherever you want, okay? So it doesn't have to be where I place it. You can place more than 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5 leaves. Play with this, have fun with this. Okay, happy with this. We are going to here for 30 seconds because I'm gonna put some crystal on it. Okay, maybe we have some time to do crystal. Let's finish that beauties first, and then we're gonna move on to the next one. Condensed glue gels. Hey Mika, hey Donald. Hey, I got the note there for you.
Okay.
I'll be back there with you when I'm finished. Okay. 3 minutes? Okay. Condensed glue gel is the first step from our trifecta. I'll put right in the center here. I know it looks really cute though. And then just a little bit here. Here. You can tell that I've been obsessed with the glow in the dark kits, huh? Because this is so fun to work with and has color. Alright, so you're touching just off. So I'm gonna add some. Maybe you should off and then start again. Just off, just off.